Welcome back to Forex Professional Training in Financial Markets. In this session, we will review MetaTrader 4, the most common platform for trading in financial markets. Installation and setup procedure of MetaTrader 4 was clarified previously. Thus, a detailed explanation will be discussed in this session. After running MetaTrader 4, such figure will be displayed on your screen. General information. Plenty of information is shown on the interface, such as account number on left overhead side. Platform type, selected symbol and its time are displayed near the account number. All features are placed on horizontal tabs such as File, View and Insert, which are below the account number. Some features inside each tab are separately executed on the lower sections. Applicable options can be collected by users on the main menu bar. Default figure provides extensive features, which can be replaced or removed by a user. On a predefined menu bar, the first button on the left-hand side adds a new chart onto the screen, while another significant modification buttons are located on this ribbon near the Add Chart button. Users can place an order by selecting the New Order button on this strip. Next strip contains different forms of charts alongside time adjustment, templates and indicators buttons. Market Watch. On the Market Watch window, most symbols with their ask and bid prices are shown. A user has to right-click on the desired symbol to open its options. By selecting Chart window on Option menu of any symbol, a new chart of the regulated symbol appears on the screen, in which a user can easily remove or resize any chart. Users can also drag and drop any favoured symbol to any present chart to view the market price. This option replaces the previous chart with the new chart without resetting previous chart's window specifications. Tick chart. User can select Tick chart option on a symbol option menu to view price movement on each value change in the market. It may have multiple shifts even in the space of 10 seconds. Hide or show. On the symbol option menu, a user can either hide or show the selected symbol. Hiding undesired symbols speeds up the platform and its data refresh rate. Hide Show All. Hide All option removes all symbols but those which have open charts on the screen. Show All option helps users to find a missed symbol. Symbol. Selecting Symbol option assists the user in finding a preferred symbol, unavailable on symbol list. Symbols are categorized by broker-provided market types. Click on the plus sign to open symbols in the selected market. By double-clicking on the symbol, hide or show characteristic of that symbol would change. Properties of the selected symbol can be reviewed by pressing Properties button on the right-hand side of the window. There are other options here available for you too, such as High or Low, Time, Auto Arrange, Grid and Pop-up Price. Clicking on the Pop-up Price option, the prices will be shown to you in digits. Usually, if you look at the exchange shops, you will see these tables, as they are easier for regular people to understand. Sets. After collecting desired symbols and removing unfavourable ones, a user can save a list of symbols for his or her convenience. Users can import any saved list simply by clicking it from the Sets option. Removing symbols of one kind is also accessible via this option. Navigator. Accounts. An individual may have several accounts with various brokers. It is troublesome to download platforms for all brokers. Users can easily add his or her accounts by indicating username, password and server, and other details. Confirmed accounts are arranged in the Accounts section in the given broker's folder. Users can easily change his or her account in a platform by double-clicking on the preferred account. A real or live account alongside two demo accounts in FX Pro and ICM Broker are applied to illustrate practical examples of trading using different accounts on MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 indicates whether an account is demo or real and classifies them in folders by their brokerage company name. Indicators. All installed indicators are displayed and categorized based on their characteristics. A customized or a brand new indicator can be merged by downloading its file. A user must copy that file into a certain subfolder in MetaTrader 4 folder. Every broker has different destination folder to paste the indicator into, so a user has to recognize destination folder name. For instance, FX Pro MetaTrader 4 folder is a subfolder called MQL4. A user must paste the indicator into this subfolder. Afterwards, the indicator is displayed and applicable on the Indicators menu. Expert Advisor. Any expert advisors are represented on Expert Advisor menu. As mentioned before, a user can exploit experts as an assistance to predict the market movements. Users can easily access any favored expert through the Expert Advisor menu. Terminal. Trades. The terminal window at the bottom of the screen has various specifications which can be selected through tabs on the lower part. The first tab is Trade, which displays open trades with their features such as order time and price, type, lot size, symbol, margin, commission, swap, and the amount of loss or profit achieved. The combined balance of all open trades in addition to other specifications are displayed. Account History. Account History tab shows all transactions, sorted by order time, made on entire accounts from a specific time, which can be modified by a user. Right-click on this window provides User Time Modification menu, plus some appropriate options for further application. All History represents all transactions from initial time when users started trading. Last 3 months fetches the trades which are ordered in the last 3 months. A user can define an optional time by selecting Custom Period. More time spans are available in Custom Period. News. News from financial markets to global events may be presented here by the broker who provides this platform. Alerts. On the Alerts tab, a user may develop a reminder on MetaTrader 4 platform in which action type, expiration time, symbol, order type, target price, alert sound, and timeout amount can be set by a user. Mailbox. As an important part of MetaTrader 4, a user can check Mailbox frequently. Any change in provided symbol, expiration time of some contracts such as oil or other significant modifications by a broker are declared in this tab. The most considerable issue is the expiration date of certain CFDs that a user should note if she or he has an open trade on them. Others. Alongside those important tabs, Terminal window offers more features such as Signal, Codebase, Experts, and Journal, which contains some useful information. The terminal window would be beneficial for users to go over on open trades such as carry trades, which were mentioned in previous sessions. To retrieve beneficial information like swap, profit or loss, and commission. These are open trades that we have ordered on a demo account. It was a brief description of terminal window. Let's take a look on the upside of the platform. A user can remove any window by clicking on the close button of a given window, or use the toolbar button at the top of the screen to show or hide windows. Clearing the screen from undesired windows or resizing them helps traders to increase their focus and their attention on essential windows. The new order section will be discussed in subsequent lessons. As mentioned before, toolbar buttons on the top of the screen can be removed or replaced easily by traders. Auto trading part is rarely used by traders. A user can right-click on desired toolbar to open the menu window. After selecting Customize, a new window will appear into which a user can insert favoured sections or remove the rarely used buttons such as Strategy Tester, Data Window, or even Auto Trading. Less undesired buttons and windows on the screen may enhance the trader's focus for more successful trades. Chart types. Market chart can be illustrated by three different types: bar charts, candlesticks, and line chart. A trader can use zoom in or zoom out button to get more precise market price and index on a chart. Using zoom in on candlestick mode is advantageous, especially for amateur traders. Auto scroll. The auto scroll button provides a trader with the option to enable or disable auto scroll option. By each price shift in the market, even 1 pip, the chart will be refreshed to the most recent time. When a trader reviews the market price of a later time, it would be a troublesome option, as with each market price change, the time frame will update to the most recent time. As it is shown here, with 1 pipette change in market price, the chart is refreshed. By clicking on the auto scroll button, this option can be disabled. Chart shift. The end of the market price is not vivid enough, so a user can use the chart shift button to alter the market price on the left for a more desirable view and analysis on the chart and market price. For instance, if a trader wants to analyze this region, it would be quite difficult. Hence, a trader enables chart shift, and a grey arrow appears on the top of the chart to modify the rate of shift. The arrow permits a trader to create a desirable gap between the market price and the edge of the chart. Indicators and oscillators. A trader can attach indicators and oscillators on a chosen chart by the Indicator Add button. For instance, a trader might like to add CCI, Commodity Channel Index, on a chart by selecting it from the indicator menu. After the attachment of CCI, the Indicator Properties menu can be provided by right-clicking on it. Size, color, and optional level can be modified in the Properties menu. If a trader likes to add a 0 level, it would be simply done here. By choosing the delete option, the indicator will be removed easily from the chart. Periods. The time span of the given chart can be changed by a trader from Periods drop menu. Its separated time spans are displayed on the lower level of the top toolbar too. Templates. A trader can save the desired template by this option, which will be described in details later. Different periods of time. On the lower strip of the toolbar, various time frames are displayed. M stands for minute, while H, D, and MN represents hour, day, and month respectively. In acronym, numbers stands for the duration of that period. For instance, M30 displays 30 minutes, while D1 stands for 1 day. Cursor. If a user moves the cursor on a chart, some important data would be displayed at the bottom of the screen. The first box shows the time frame of a chart where the cursor is. Considering that a user changes the chart mode to candlestick, Each candlestick has open price, abbreviated to O, which is shown in the next box. H and L illustrate high and low prices of that candlestick. C stands for close price of the given candlestick. Volume of transaction is shown on the last data box. Crosshair. If a user changes the pointer style to crosshair, both price and time would be displayed on the screen. A trader can figure out more details of a candlestick alongside more convenient pointer actions on different time frames and prices. If a trader requires the amount of pip, if that price shifted from a certain spot, he or she can easily left click on the initial point and drag the pointer to the destination spot. A set of information is shown at the right side of the pointer, showing the number of candlesticks and pips between the two spots, in addition to the market price where the pointer stands. For example, the number of candles crossed are 3, and if the pointer goes further, this amount rises. The second digit shows 100 pips difference between 2 points, and the third digit is the market price. Vertical line. Vertical line can be drawn on the chart by selecting the vertical line button. This line can be simply moved or deleted by a trader after selecting it by double-clicking on it. Horizontal line. This line has the same properties and procedure as vertical line. However, it can be drawn horizontally. Trend line. A more sophisticated line is trend line, which can be traced in a bevel shape. A trader can click on the start spot to draw a sloped line. If a trader likes to modify this line, he or she should double click on the line and 3 square points will appear on the line. If a trader wants to move to the starting point, he or she should drag the left spot. The trend line can be moved by changing the location of the middle spot, though the slope will remain unchanged. Finally, the right spot is useful whenever a trader intends to modify the slope of a trend line. If a user desires to discard the infinite length, first he or she should double click on the line and then right click on it. After choosing the trend line properties, a trader should remove the tick of Ray box in the Parameters tab. In this condition, the right square box would change the slope alongside the length of trend line, just like the left square control point. A trader can also choose the delete option to throw trend line away. Text. A trader may like to add text to the chart by pressing the text button on the toolbar. Location of any text can be changed easily. Arrows. Traders can place shapes on the chart using the arrow menu. From Properties menu of the shape, a user can modify its color, size, and any attached text. Customization. Any undesirable option and/or button can be removed as mentioned before. The toolbar without any undesirable buttons helps a trader to develop a more convenient setting and environment. A compact toolbar limited to one line creates more space for a chart, consequently more suitable facilities for higher efficiency. Customization of a toolbar depends on user's trading manner. Connection. A trader can check internet connection of the platform, its speed in kilobyte on the right bottom side of the screen. Clicking on the internet box opens the server list of the given broker in which a user has an account. Here, multiple servers are indexed for traders' reference, in case he or she would like to change to any one of them. On startup step, the fastest and best server available is chosen. However, a trader can change a server for any reason. Sometimes a trader would prefer to pick up a server based on its location. For instance, in this demo account, a trader can change the server to any one of those listed below. Window. In the chart section, a trader can change display of the window. Multiple charts of certain symbols are shown so a user can observe all of them simultaneously, or he or she can use full size option of a chart to resize it for better focus on a certain symbol. A trader can restore the previous size by pressing this option again. The location of a chart can be modified by a trader on the basis of the desired symbols. The Market Watch window is not the only method to open a symbol chart. On the right bottom side of a chart, exactly on time frame, a user can double click to activate an attractive option, in which a trader can manually choose a symbol in addition to a time frame type. For instance, on British Pound against US Dollar chart, a user can type EUR USD, then press enter. Thus, the symbol on the chart will be changed to Euro against US Dollar. The time frame can be set to 4 hours by entering H4 after Euro against US Dollar, considering that the acronym of each time frame should be written in capital letters. If a trader desires to change the time frame only, he or she should enter the preferred time frame only, and follow this by pressing the enter button. Chart menu. If a trader right-clicks the chart, Charts menu opens that consists of various noteworthy options, such as sell or buy and stop or limit, which is in the trading section. The new order window is also available on the trading section. Indicators attached to the chart can easily be modified via the menu. Time frame and templates of the specified chart are accessible from the menu too. Predefined templates can be applied through Templates section. A trader can save the desired template for that chart for his or her future use, which can be highly beneficial. For instance, a user may attach alligator and Bollinger Band to a certain chart. If the template is saved through the Template section of the chart menu, it can be easily accessed on another chart. On another chart, a user should go to the Template section of the chart menu, then press Load Template. By choosing a saved template, a favoured template can be set for the chart. A trader can also transfer the template files to another person. To refresh a chart, a user can press a refresh option. Grid lines can be enabled through Grid option. Volume option displays or hides the volume of each candlestick in a chart. The chart menu includes one-click trading in addition to other chart options. The last option on a chart menu is Properties. The color of each chart can be tuned in the Colors tab from the Properties menu. A trader can either select each feature color individually or choose Custom Default in Color Scheme drop menu. Common tab of Properties provides detailed features such as Scale, Chart Mode, Auto Scroll and Chart Shift. On the MetaTrader 4 platform, several ways to access these features are designed simultaneously. Although there are numerous features on the MetaTrader 4 platform, we discuss the most required and most popular features. Profile is another common specification of MetaTrader 4 that should be considered. The trader can save the desired chart's order on the screen in a profile. Later, it would be beneficial to retrieve the saved profile. For example, a trader may intend to bring back a profile with Euro or British Pound charts, so he or she can select a certain profile from the bottom of the page. Any chart arrangement can be saved through Save Profile As section in the Profile menu. That concludes this session. Until next time and another session, take care.